Hi there, in this video, I will be guiding you on how to check if your Google Ads campaigns are running. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because this will help you to make sure that your ads are active and reaching your audience. So first, once you're on Google ads.google.com, you have to go to your Google Ads account so first you will have to sign in or log in, and then you will just have to wait for it to load. And by the way, you have to make sure that your Google Ads account is already all set up so that you won't be seeing all these steps anymore. So once it is already set up, then you will just have to click campaigns from the left hand menu, which you can find right here if your account is already set up. And then you will look at the status column, and then it will show eligible, post, or removed. If it says eligible, then your campaign is running, and you can also check the ad group and ads tab to ensure individual ads are active. If a campaign isn't running, then you should check for issues under recommendations or policy center. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.